Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be discussing with you on the Kruskal's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree. Okay, so the Kruskal's algo for finding minimum spanning tree. Now for that we need a graph. So let's draw the graph first. Okay, so this is the graph and we have to find the minimum spanning tree from this graph. Now the first step for the Kruskal's algorithm says that we need to remove the self loops from this graph. Now there are two self loops, as you can see. One is this one, another one is this one. So we have to remove these two in order to proceed with the Kruskal's algo. Okay, so after removal our graph looks something like this. Okay, so this is our graph. Now the second step is removal of parallel edges based on the least weight. Okay, that is the parallel edges which are there in this graph, we need to remove the extra parallel edges based on their weight. For example, between vertex C and D there are two parallel edges. Now we will remove that parallel edge which has more weight. That is, in this case this parallel edge will be removed. So let's remove it. Okay, so we have removed one, and the second pair is of edges between A and B. Now this one has the more weight, so we will remove this one. So this is the graph on which we will be performing our final steps of the Kruskal algo. Now we need to draw an edge table. Okay, now what is that? Let's see. Now let's count how many edges are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5 columns. This will be edge and this will be weight. Now what we will do, we will arrange the edges in ascending order based on their weights. So the first edge that comes having the minimum weight is BD with weight 4. Then we have 6, that is BC and AD. So BC and AD both having 6. Okay, and then we have 7, that is CD, and finally we have AB 9. So now what we will do, we have arranged the edges in ascending order according to their weight. Now we will consider one by one and we will construct them to form the minimum spanning tree. But we need to keep one thing in mind, we will discard that edge which forms a circuit with the previously selected edges. Okay, so let's start. First one is BD. So let's construct BD as it was in the graph. So this is BD. Then we have BC. this one. So BC. Then we have AD, this one. So AD. Then we have CD, but CD will perform a circuit. Okay. CD will perform a circuit, therefore we will discard CD. And finally we have AB, which will again perform a circuit. So we will also discard AB. So it's done. This is our minimum spanning tree of the graph, this one. Okay. So this was all about the Kruskal's algorithm, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for my upcoming videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video in future. Thank you.